Good morning, sober family. Welcome back. I'm Wayne, and I'm an alcoholic. This is One Sober to Another. Today's daily reflection for 16 October 2020 throughout the day. Let's get after it, folks. Wake up. Welcome back, sober friends. Here we go. This is not an overnight matter. It should continue for our lifetime. Alcoholics Anonymous, page 84. During my early years in Alcoholics Anonymous, I saw step 10 as a suggestion that I periodically look at my behavior and reactions. If there was something wrong, I should admit it. If an apology was necessary, I should give one. After a few years of sobriety, I felt I should undertake a self-examination more frequently. Not until several more years of sobriety had elapsed did I realize the full meaning of step 10. And the word continued does not mean occasionally or frequently. It means throughout each day. Okay, people, we know what to do here, right? If Alcoholics Anonymous is not your thing, these daily reflections and takeaways from them can apply to your recovery in almost every facet that I use it in Alcoholics Anonymous. You don't necessarily have to be that way, and you don't necessarily have to believe in the same things I do. However, if you're in sobriety or recovery or looking about it, a little sober curious, this could help. So what does it really mean? It really means that, instead of once in a while saying, did I do something wrong, or did I wrong somebody that I need to fix? Once in a while? Not really. I should do this on a daily basis. And why? Because getting a fresh start, as you were, getting a chance to repair what we mess up along the way. Our lives are complicated. Our lives are full. And our days are different. And each day we come across people that we may or may not disagree with. And we might say something out of anger. Or we might do something, that we really didn't want to do, or that we really shouldn't have done. And we get the opportunity to repair that damage as we go. It may not be catastrophic, and it may not be life-altering for someone else. But for me, the alcoholic, it could exactly be that. And, I get the chance to, through the steps in my recovery, through the steps to fix that. And that leaves me with a bit of peace of mind. My side of the street is clean, and I don't have to carry over anything to the next day. I live my program, my recovery 24 hours at a time. I'm not sure how you do yours, but I'm optimistic that you can relate as well. These daily reflections, be it for you or not for you, if you're getting something from them, hit the like button below. And if you're not, drop a comment and let me know what you want to see, because I do this for you, not for me. I want to say you guys have a great day. That's a little something to chew on. Life's a garden, dig it, folks. One sober to another. I'm Wayne, and I gotta go to work. Have a good day.